Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Mo Finance and News channel. It is nice to see you guys. I am so sorry for my delay. Work has been a little crazy the past week and it's just kind of held me back, but I'm excited to be back today and kind of talk to you guys about the market, as we've seen some crazy things have happened in the past literally week. I think I should start off today by focusing on my favorite, which is Bitcoin, as always, right? So let's pull up the Bitcoin chart. And let's just do the 5-day. Let's look at what the past 5 days have been. We had that huge drop. My last video, I had mentioned it. It was a little bit of a stressful drop. We didn't know where it was going to go from here. But as we can see here, it has gone up in the past day by 21%. It's beautiful. That is so freaking beautiful. And you guys, as we can even see here, we had literally the best thing possible. Best thing we can get, a golden cross. Granted, that is the 5-minute time, so not always the most thing to think or most confirmation to use, but that's still crazy. We get to the 15-minute mark, we can see the same thing still here. Let's go to the 30. It's there too. The 45, the 1 hour. You guys, according to a lot of traders online, this would be the start for a full-blown uptrend. That means that this could be its beginning. And as we can even see here, it had bearish divergence in the 1 hour mark. Indicator tells us right there. And look, it's already rebounded and is now in a healthy growth position. So personally, if I was trading, I would buy this today and I would wait, because this is the best it's looked in a long time. Right? In a long time. And this is just the Bitcoin market. That doesn't even take into account the whole crypto market. Let's take a refresh. As you can see, Shiba Tron today is up 1,000%. If you put $1,000 into that, you'd be up to $10,000 today. That, my friends, is true financial freedom. Right? That's what you got to find. More opportunities like this in the market to make money without having to work full time, right? That's everybody's freaking goal, and I don't blame them. I'm in the same boat. Everybody should be thinking that way. Now let's look at the market in a whole. The past 7 days, Bitcoin's up 16%, Ethereum's up 12%, BNB, one of my favorite coins, is up 10%. Terra, holy crap, you guys, Terra Luna is up 65%. If you had bought Terra this week, you would literally be up 65% on your money. If you had 10,000 in, you'd have 16,500. Let's just do 1,000. That's a safer, easier number. You would have $1,600 in 7 days. You'd be up $600. That's more money than people make in a month sometimes, depending on where you are. That's just so crazy, right? Polygon's up 10%. Wrap BTC's up 16%. Same thing. My bad. 28% for near. It's just, there's always opportunity in this market. You just have to find it and be willing to go get it, right? And that's for crypto as a whole. Now, as some people would call it the real world, I consider the crypto the real world. But okay, we go to this and we got the 5-day on here, and that is not looking too great. From the 24th to now, we're only up 5%. Where Bitcoin is up 21% I think Bitcoin was a day, right? Like, this is a 6-day. This is a day. We're up 16%. Here, we are up 5% in 5 whole days. That's freaking crazy, right? This is the Nasdaq, by the way. So in the Nasdaq, we're only up 5%. But at least the good news here, and as we can see, is things are rebounding from where it was last week. And if we really, let's not look at the whole month. But if we look at least just the past day, it's only down roughly 2%. So that's still a crazy number in the non-crypto world, right? So it's something always to keep into account. Now let's look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And if we do the 5-dayer for this bad boy, we see it had a better rebound than the Nasdaq. Nope, same thing. I'm so sorry. It's the same. It's about 5%. That's terrible. And then same thing from the past day or so. We're down a whole 2%, 1% technically. If we start from here, if you had bought up there, you're about 2% down for a whole day. A little bit stressful in these markets. And one big negative, and we're going to bring this up because we saw it on the opposite end. We have the death cross. And remember, you guys, the death cross is when the 100 EMA crosses over the 50 EMA. So we got this one, which is the 55, and this one is at the 200. So my bad, the 200 crosses over the 50 or vice versa. And we call this a death cross. So that is scary and stressful, and should be a fair warning to be cautious about these markets right now. And if you're going to be in the crypto world, just be smart about what you're going to put your money into and be able to stomach the volatility. Because even with a 30% increase in 5 days, there was a 24% decrease in 13 days. Let's even make it smaller. There was a 22% decrease in 7 days, and even really go less, a 12% decrease in a whole day. So it is as volatile for the positive and the negative. And volatility doesn't always mean awesome. It just means that you have more opportunity as long as you're looking in the right direction and you're following your confirmations. Right? So the biggest thing I can say here is just be logical about your confirmations. Be logical about every trade you take, because in these turbulent markets, we don't know what's going to happen, and I don't think that's going to slow down, and neither should you. And make sure that whatever you enter in, you can either A, stomach the loss, and B, stomach the volatility, especially if it is part of your trading strategy. Anybody can trade, as we've seen the past year. Anybody can make money on it. It has been great for me, and you can do the same. Just be cautious. Be smart about your entries and your exits. And as always, like this video. Please subscribe. Leave a comment if you've got a question, an idea for my next video. And again, I'm very sorry about taking so many days from the last one. I will be more consistent for you guys. Not even that I just enjoy making these videos, but for you guys. And I will try my best to try to do it every day if I can, or just stomach my plan of the Monday, Wednesday, Friday original idea. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you guys have any ideas, comment, email them to me. I'm super excited, and thank you for joining me on this financial freedom journey.